gonna go to Flagstaff.
This is Mike.
And this is Joey.
And we're with
Our mobile backpack.
Today, we're posting our video, which is an adventure that we had up in Cottonwood.
Verde Valley.
It was beautiful. Now, that was our second time there, but we found so many wonderful things to do.
It was incredible. There was lots of monuments. There was pueblos. There was Montezuma's well and the Montezuma's castle. Those are all worth seeing. And of course, Sedona. Sedona was incredible. If you haven't been there, you got to go to Sedona. It is beautiful, just a breathtaking beauty.
And we did some hiking in Sedona, and then after we were done hiking, we went on and did some exploration just in the whole area.
Yeah, really something.
It was beautiful.
We got to use our 1000 Trail. We stayed at a 1000 Trail Park up there, right by Cottonwood. We were there for 2 weeks, 14 days. It was a nice park. It was well set up. It was a nice scenic park. We met some new people, and we ran into one of our subscribers and spent some time with them downtown and just had a good time.
Absolutely. And we went to that brewery. We didn't get any pictures. We were having too much fun with the new friends that we had met from the Instagram. But it was a good brewery, and you should definitely check it out.
Yeah, we're finding new stuff in different towns. No, it was a lot of fun. I'll show you some pictures. Come on along with us and take a look.
Yeah. And we had a chance to go into a town that we didn't even know what was there. It's called Clarkdale.
Clarkdale was a copper town. It was this copper smelting town that had to do with Jerome, which is right close by where they mined, I think, yes, the most copper of any place in the U.S. anyway. And this is and Clarkdale is where they smelt it, and so they sent it off. So they have a copper museum. And you just wouldn't believe.
It was amazing.
Really something.
It was amazing.
The history of copper.
Yeah, we didn't think we'd be that interested, but we spent quite a bit of time there.
Yeah. They've got an extensive collection.
Yeah, absolutely. It was beautiful. So, we've done a pictorial and a couple little tiny videos in here, and come along, take a look at what we did for those 14 days we were in Cottonwood.
Hey. Hey, and don't forget, give us a thumbs up if you like our video, and subscribe. We're still working on our goal of 1,000 subscribers.
And we want to thank every single new subscriber that hit us up last video, and
Thank
all of our current subscribers in the OMB family. We are so happy to have you on board and love your comments. Look forward to meeting you down the road too.
Bye.
Bye.